Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of April. So I'm going to give you the quick rundown of what Stitch Fix is. Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 when you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile and give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion, and a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items are going to get shipped to you for free. You're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items, then you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. The only way you lose your $20 styling fee is if you decide to keep nothing from your box at all. I no longer have the $20 styling fee for each box because I was offered the Style Pass a couple of years ago, and so each year I pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to me for that year. For this box, it was a little bit different. My stylist, Kara, she sent me a preview of 10 items for me to select up to 5 items to have sent to me in this box. In that preview, I did decide to keep 3 of the 10 items, and that means that she was able to select 2 other items that were not in that preview to have sent to me in this box. So I'm really excited to see if the items that I chose, if they're items that I'm gonna like or not. So let's get into the box to see what I got for this month. So the inside of my box looks like this. I've got my package, I've got my paperwork and things like that on the side. Shipping is free both ways, so you're going to receive this prepaid envelope to send back any items that you don't like, or if you need to make any exchanges, they'll go in this bag. I've got my envelope, and inside my envelope I have my price invoice sheet, and I'm just going to take a peek real quick. This is fix number 32 for me. Also in the envelope is your Oh Hello card, and this is the note from your stylist and your style cards to help you style the items that are sent to you in your box. And so I'm going to read my note from Kara, and I've had Kara all 32 fixes, which is really amazing because I know a lot of people have their stylist switched quite a bit, and I love Kara. It says, "Hello, lovely Jennifer. First, I have to let you know how much I look forward to styling your fixes each time and reading your feedback and requests. Looks like you are ready to get on board the spring train. Me too. What did you think of the new fix preview process? For me, it was fun selecting 10 items for you to take a look at before anything hits your doorstep. You get to be a part of the process and provide me with additional comments on what you like or didn't and what you would like to see added." And that was pretty cool. I think what I like about that preview is that I can select a few items, but I can also get a few items that are a surprise. Pantone named Illuminating Yellow the color of the year, so not only will you be comfy in Callie cuffed pants, but stylish too. With this bright color, don't be afraid to play with other spring hues, like the light blue floral Fun to Fun blouse. Layer on your denim jacket for the perfect business casual vibe. Lastly, try the deep navy blouse, XX Kara. And the yellow pants were one of the items that I did select from the preview. And so here are my style cards. I love how they give you suggestions for your items. And so here is a look at my bundle, some really pretty spring colors, and that's what I requested in my note, was some really pretty colors for spring, and those are the yellow pants that she's talking about. And I'll show you the items, the 3 items that I did choose from the fix. All right, so right on top I have by Verse a Jory split neck top in off-white, and this was one of the items that I did choose. And so it has this really colorful print. It has like some deep red, some yellow, some orange, some blue. A lot of times I do floral prints and I love them, but this had a different print that I was interested in trying on. And I love to wear tank top style tops in the spring and the summer. In the spring I can throw a cardigan on over top of it, and in the summertime it's just nice and cool and lightweight. So this looks like a good top for me. It does have a keyhole in the back, right there. And it does also have, well, it has a split in the back. So like at the very bottom, it has a split. So we'll see what we think about this top. Next is by Fun to Fun. It is the Lillian V-neck blouse in light blue. And this is a really pretty light blue color. And it has a really pretty floral print. It has a split neck there. looks like it has like a pleat right here in the center. Let's see. Yeah, a pleat right there in the center. I love the floral print. It has like a light peach and an orange. Very pretty. I'm going to get up close so you can see that. It is kind of sheer, so you're probably going to have to wear a cami or something underneath of that. But she did suggest maybe trying that on with those yellow pants, and so we'll see what we think about that. Next is a Daniel Rainn Liona Flutter detail blouse in indigo. And this was one of the items that she chose after I picked my 3. And so it's just a really pretty navy blouse. Has this really cute flutter sleeve, and it has some, is that ruching or smocking up at the top on the shoulders. It is nice and sheer. It's got the button detail in the front. I like that. That's really pretty. And she did suggest putting that with the yellow pants, and I can see navy and yellow being really pretty together. Here's another item that I chose from the preview. It is the cardigan by Lety and Me. It is the Gabby Pointelle detail cardigan in coral. And I thought it was going to be more coral. I chose a pink cardigan in my last fix. This is coral, but it's got a pink color to it too. So it's kind of similar to the cardigan that I chose. I thought it might be a little more coral, but it's kind of a pinky coral. It has like the kind of ribbing going down the front. It has this detail at the bottom. It doesn't look like a super long cardigan. So this is very similar to what I kept from my last fix, and I didn't realize how closely this would resemble what I kept, but it is pretty, and I'm a sucker for like pinks and corals and oranges and things like that. So we'll try that on, and I thought it would look good over top of that first verse blouse. So we'll see how that looks together. And then lastly, we have the yellow pants, and they are a Stitch Fix exclusive. These are the Cosmic Blue Love Callie Cuffed Skinny Pant in yellow, and this is what they look like. A nice, pretty color for spring and summer. The cuffing is stitched here, so you cannot unroll them. I'll be curious to see what the length looks like for me, because I have like a 33 to 34 inch inseam, so I'm hoping these are kind of like cropped or capri length for spring and summer. So the 3 items that I chose were the yellow pants, the cardigan, and the first tank top. So we're gonna try these items on, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with the first 2 items, and on top I have the Daniel Rainn Liona Flutter detail blouse in indigo, and on the bottom I have the Cosmic Blue Love Callie Cuffs Skinny Pant in yellow. So let's talk about the top first. I love the cute little button details. It's got some pleating right here. It has some cute little ruffle detail right here, and then it comes down like this. I do have a black cami underneath of it. I like the little flutter sleeves. It does feel like it's made of polyester. Let me see if I can find that. Yeah, it is 100% polyester, so to wash and wear very well. It comes down plenty long enough in the front. It does have a cute little side slit detail, and it comes a little bit longer in the back, which I always like to try to cover at my bottom. I do think it pairs well with these yellow pants. Let me pan down so you guys can see the pants. They are a capri length on me. Let's see back. I like to wear like Bermuda shorts or capri pants in the spring and the summer, so I think they're a beautiful color. They are very stretchy. The length is good. Sometimes light colored pants can show kind of like a lot of imperfections, and so I asked my husband, he said he didn't think it looked bad. So I do like this navy and yellow combination together. What do you guys think? All right, I'm going to try the next top with these yellow pants, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with this next top, and this is the Fun to Fun Lillian V-neck blouse in light blue. And I did change and put like a nude cami underneath, so that's what you're seeing at the top there. It does kind of come down a little bit lower, not like really low or anything like that. I like the floral print. I like the V right here. Has like a short cap sleeve here. I like the floral print. Get up close so you can see that. I love this light blue color. It does have the pleat right here. Comes down long enough. Comes up a little bit like curves and comes down longer. Definitely covers the bottom. It's definitely made of polyester, so it would be easy to wash and wear. Like I said, it's pretty thin, so you need to wear a cami underneath of it. I might do like a white instead of a nude cami because it wants to peek out right here. But what do you guys think about it with these yellow pants? I kind of like it. I think this was the one that she suggested maybe putting a jean jacket with it. So let me see. Check her note out. Yeah, so she suggested throwing on a denim jacket. So I'm going to get that and I'll be right back. All right, so here's that top and the pants with the denim jacket. This is the Liverpool denim jacket I kept in a previous fix. And it's a nice kind of like dark medium wash here. So yeah, that's kind of a cute combination. What do you guys think? My husband said he thinks this top would go better with jeans. But do you guys like it with the yellow? Let me know what you think. All right, I'm gonna try on the next top and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with the tank top, and this is the Jory split neck top by Verse. And it says in off-white, but it has this, what do you call this print? Is this kind of like a boho style print maybe? But it has like this, almost reminds you of like a sun right here in the front. It comes down, kind of curves up and has a high-low hem, but the back has a split. There's a picture of the back. It has a keyhole in the back right there. It does come down a little bit low in the arms, so I don't know if I need to size down, but I like the length of it, so I usually go with a large for more length for myself. But here's how it looks paired with the yellow pants. I think that's a good combination because it's got the yellow and the red and the orange and the blue in there. So I'll get up close so you can see that. So what do you guys think about this? I am going to throw the cardigan over top of this and I'll be right back. All right, here's the cardigan over top of this shirt. Like I said, this cardigan is very similar. It is a little more coral and less pink, but it's very similar to the one I kept in my last fix. I do think it looks cute over top of this shirt. It also probably would really look pretty over top of this one, I think. I should have tried that, but I think those two would look really pretty together. Would you wear this cardigan over top this shirt with these pants? I think it works. I don't know if I love the combination, but I think it's a cute cardigan. Has like the ribbing down the front. It's got that little extra detail on the bottom there. It's not too long, but it covers up my bottom. So you guys tell me what you think. I'll be right back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, I'm back to talk about some prices and to do a recap on these items. And overall, I thought this was a really good fix. So let's talk about each item. The first item was the Renee C, but then it says Verse on the tag, and they do this sometimes with Stitch Fix. Jory split neck top and off-white. It was $48. It is 100% polyester, cute little top. Thought it went well with the yellow pants. Not too bad. And I don't mind 100% polyester, it doesn't bother me. Next was the Lety and Me, the Gabby Pointelle detail cardigan in coral, and it was $46. I do think that this is very similar to the cardigan that I kept in my last fix, but it's something I'll use because as a teacher during this time of year, I throw on cardigans in the classroom when the air conditioning gets too cold for me. And so I think it's something that I'll get a lot of use out of. And like I said, it was $46. Next is the light blue top. It is the Fun to Fun Lillian V-neck blouse in light blue, and it is $40. So I thought that was a cute little top that I could wear in the spring and the summer. And like I said, I do think those two would look really nice together. Then I have the Cosmic Blue Love, the Callie Cuff Skinny Pant in yellow. And these were a nice cropped length for me, and I think they're gonna look great for spring and summer. They do come in lots of different colors, so this might be an item that I look into getting other colors for spring and summer. So what did you guys think about the fit on those? Did you think they looked okay on me? And I thought overall they paired well with all three tops. And these are the most expensive item, and of course they're $88. And then the last item was by Rainn, the Liona Flutter Detail Blouse in Indigo, and I thought this really looked cute with the yellow pants. And I forgot to mention they have these really pretty kind of pearlescent buttons there. I think that's really pretty. I think this would look cute with a pair of like gold strappy sandals in the summer. And so this is, of course, Rainn. It's a little pricey. It's $64. And so the stylist pick subtotal was $286. The buy all discount takes off 25%, which would be $71.50. And that leaves me with an order subtotal of $214.50. Shipping is free, and I don't get to take off the $20 styling fee. So what do you think about this fix? Do you think it's a 5 for 5? I really ended up liking those yellow pants quite a bit. Let me know what you think down in the comments boxes below. If you like videos like this, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I do a monthly Stitch Fix unboxing, and then I also do boxes for my husband and my daughter as well. So if you're interested in children's boxes or men's boxes, I do those on this channel as well. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. It is currently for $50, and if that is still active, I will link that in the description box below. That would give you $50 towards your first box, so you wouldn't have to pay your styling fee. And it would also give you $50 to spend towards anything that you want to keep in your box, and that's a pretty good deal. Most of the time they're $25, but occasionally they'll put out $50 referral links, and I think that's what I've got going right now. If you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. And I guess until next time, bye guys.